Here we go. A typical O-level question look like this, and IP will be similar, sometimes not, right? So anyway, one characteristic of a homologous series is that the properties show a trend. I know lah. Thank you for telling me. Describe the trends you will expect for three properties of the alcohols as molecular size increase. Enthalpy change of combustion must not be one of them. You don't know this one, right? So tell me, also no use. I don't care. Everyone okay? All I care is, do I know trending? I know them well. And did they say must be chemical or physical? They never say. So I can use any one of them. I say, thank you. It's my free play. Be very careful. It's about alcohols, functional group, or homologous series. And what happens when it becomes longer? Yes? Done. So let's play physical property first in green. Number one, ladies and gentlemen, we all know melting point and boiling point. Take note that this comes as a set. It's not two. Everyone, are you with me? Density, the physical properties. These are all in my notes. And the last one starts with V, viscosity. As the chain get longer, the physical property, PP, what happened? They all increases due to IMF. Remember this one? And we don't care about IMF because they never asked me to explain. They asked me to describe. Never, okay? If you describe and explain, then you must write the reason. No reasoning required for 2 marks question like this. Never, okay? Read your question. But we also know that there are other things we can write. Especially alcohol, there's something special. Another physical property is called number 4. Solubility. Only acids and alcohol, we have this additional one. It's all in my notes. Which is another physical property. Solubility, however, get longer, it decreases, not increases. And you know why? And again, because the question say property, they never say anyone. I can have number 5, which is the, last but not least, flammability. In the notes also, discuss. This is a chemical property, CP. The flammability also decreases. And the reason, you also know why. Out of 5, choose 3, put it in, you get 2 marks. Without explaining. You just have to say increase, decrease, full stop. Okay? Do we memorize this? Hopefully you didn't. It's all by understanding. Okay, dimethyl ether is an isomer of ethanol. Okay, it looks like this. Looks cool. And they say isomer. Isomer means what? Different structure, same molecular formula, which is obvious. You count the number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, all the same. Okay? The enthalpy change of combustion, so you burn them, right? Value is different. So they give out different energy. Right? Burning is always exo, remember? So this is linked to energetics. I say, okay. So let's play. The same products are formed when both isomers are completely combusted. Make sense or not? I think so, because they have the same molecular formula. No. Makes sense. Write equation to show the complete combustion of them. Okay, one equation, 1 mark, take and run. Here we go. First, ethanol. One black, one blue, let's say. Ethanol is like this, right? So they give me the formula also. I say thank you. Leave some space for balancing equation. Complete combustion, so it's CO2 and H2O. Ethanol in black, all right? Ethanol in black. Dimethyl ether in blue. What is it? CH3OCH3. I know after I balance, they're going to give me the same 4D number for sure. Because they are the same formula, by right? We balance the first one, done, we come and balance the second one. Okay? Which is the same. That's copy now, not balance. Yeah. So here we go. How we can balance? Balance the carbon. Done. 2. Balance the hydrogen. 3. Oxygen. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. 4, 3, 7. Alcohol got 1 oxygen removed, left with 6 times 3. Correct? 1, 3, 2, 3. And therefore, I copy the one below because they are the same molecular formula. So they give me 2 marks for doing this. I said, thank you. Very simple. Then the next 2 marks need to cross topic a bit. Okay, They ask you therefore, why the enthalpy change of combustion for the two isomers are different? Now you look at it, this was having this value, right? Minus 1360. I don't know what's the value. I think they are different. That's all I care, right? This no space, right? Blue color is minus 14 something, 1460, something like that. Okay? So they ask you, hello, my friend, why the two values is different? Easy lah. Cause, ladies and gentlemen, we learned this formula a long time ago. This enthalpy change from energetics, it came from two formulas, remember? There are two formulas that we can use. And over here, we're going to use this formula. The bond break minus the bond form. Remember the two formula? Product minus reactant, or is it bond break minus bond form? Again, energetics, if I told you before, you have all my stuff. Going to revise again, okay? It's all cross-topic. Okay, I'm going to ask you, using this formula, let's have two colors. Which is the one that caused the delta H to be different, right? You see, it's very simple math, right? This is different, right? The two value. So is it HBB or HBF that caused it to be different? Open your eyes. Right, the value, right? Bond form is form what? From products. Remember? Is the product the same? So you got nothing to do with this. Because later we need to phrase it out in English. The difference is what? Is breaking the bond. Why? It is also not here, but is where? The way the bond is different. They even draw the structure for you to see. Can you see? The bond energy is different for the two compounds. Make sense, my friend? But understand. Now, you break the bond different what? The formula. Your delta H comes from the formula what? The problem is this one. Okay? And this is how we approach it. The bonds involved. Everything I say just now, I put it in English. That's all. The bonds involved in breaking, you can say breaking. Actually, the bonds involved, no need break. But because I can break the molecule, that sounds very silly. All right. So again, the bonds that you break, you can write it in this molecule and this molecule are different. All right, take a look. It's drawn for you, right? They are different. All right. Again, these two molecules are different. Then I talk about the energy. So the bonds involved are different. So the energy absorbed or taken in to break all the bonds. For them are different. Which means my HBB is different. Right? That's what I want to say in statements. As such, now I talk about this is different. The delta H, also known as the overall enthalpy change or just simply enthalpy change, will be different, which is what the question is asking. Done. 3 lines should settle it.
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com you'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.